It should match. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out, man. If you haven't, hit subscribe. All that stuff the YouTubers say, it does help the channel. They're not lying about that. It does help the channel. Today, I am reviewing the Supreme Nike Air Cross Trainer 3 Lows. And this is my first Supreme sneaker review since the Gatos. I think that's what they was called, the Supreme Gatos. Supreme and Nike sneaker collabs be kind of iffy. They either gonna knock it out the park or they're gonna be bricks. What drew my eye about this sneaker, first and foremost, if you a sneakerhead and you remember sneakers from back in the days, they look just like a Bo Jackson, man. They look like a Bo Jackson to me, and I loved Bo Jacksons back in the days. I remember the baby blue ones. One of my favorite sneakers of all time was the baby blue Bo Jacksons. But we're gonna get into an in-depth review on this. But for my streetwear police, I know I haven't not been letting y'all know all the streetwear I've been getting. It's been busy, man. So let's do it. Boom. So I got this beanie about 2 weeks ago. That drop didn't really have a lot for me. I felt like a lot of those clothes were busy. Like it was a lot going on with the clothes. But the beanie did catch my eye in the navy blue colorway. This is the Supreme Gonzo name tag. And as you can see here, it looks like a kindergartner wrote Supreme in there. But dope, man. Supreme is always dope when it comes to like the beanies to me. This was like $44 or something, I can't remember. So that's one thing. And boom, here's another thing. Belly, one of my favorite movies of all time. Even before it became a street coat, this was my movie. And this is the Supreme America Eats Its Kids, or America Eats Its Children. I don't even know why they named it that, but it's the iconic intro of the Belly movie where Nas and DMX is walking in the club, and the club has the lights that makes everything, you know, white. So that's dope. And besides this red hat I showed y'all in the intro, I got a couple of Kith pieces, but this is a Supreme video, so we're gonna keep it Supreme. But next video I'll show y'all some of the Kith pieces I picked up, the new Goals tee, the Curb Your Enthusiasm stuff, the Yankee hat, the Jeter hat. They came out with like 50 Yankee hats. I brought like 4 of those. And I think some Eric Emanuel stuff, but I can't remember. But let's get into the sneakers. Yeah, so I opted for the white colorway. Even though I love the green and black colorway with the red, I love Gucci. That gave me Gucci vibes. But I knew with Supreme, you got to be strategic. I knew that people were going to jump on those first. So I'll try to get that pair when sneakers actually drop, if they do a drop. And I'll go for that pair. But let's get into the unboxing. Unboxing time. Boom. Anytime Nike collabs with Undefeated or Supreme, and it's an Air Max or a Nike, a Cross Trainer, anything besides maybe a Jordan, you're going to get this black box with the glossy Nike logo. That's like the standard box whenever Undefeated or Supreme collabs. You know, the pull-out tab box. Very dope. Jordan 11 made this famous. Got some Supreme stickers in there. I got way too many of these, man. And the tissue paper has Nike and Supreme all over it. And voila. Yeah, I think every pair of sneakers this year comes with extra shoestrings. Like, that's the new thing, man. Like, we getting cross-trainer lows with extra pair of shoestrings. Granted, it is a Supreme, but that's wild to me, man. But let's start with the shoestrings. You get a green pair here. And the tips reads World Famous, as this one do. It may be easier to see this one. World Famous on the tips. This looks like a Bo Jackson to me, crazy. The toe box is in that nice yellow. Like, this is like one of my favorite yellows. Like, just the original yellow, like the M&M yellow. I love this yellow here. And that's your toe box. Soft toe box. See that? Soft toe box. A whole bunch of holes in it. Come around, you got a nice Supreme classic Nike tag. Kind of thin, so it's not that heavy. It's not like the jewel ones that we used to get on the Jordan 4s that used to be so heavy. It's very light tinted. Boom. Got a green Nike swoosh. This gives me Jamaica vibes, man. This green, yellow, and red. Got a nice green Nike swoosh. Pine green. You come around the back. That's where the Nike Air and the Supreme collab meshes. I like the way they overlaid the Nike Air logo over the Supreme, so you can't really see the R and the E in Supreme. And I also like that it's backwards. As you can see, Supreme is spelled backwards. That's dope. Come in the inside. That yellow creeps back out. Red overlay. More peripheral holes. I think that's how you say it. Little design here. Cross-trainer design. And this is a classic shoestring, shoelace holder right there. You don't see sneakers with that no more. And that's on both sides. Up top, same classic shoelace holder. The tongue is all white, which can be problematic. Really don't like white tongues, and I don't like white sock liners. No one likes a dirty sock liner. But it's an all white tongue, reads Nike. No Supreme branding there. Yeah, just classic Nike. As you know, the Cross Trainers is an old sneaker. Talking late 80s, early 90s. And the insoles is nice red. Supreme. And the bottom gives you vibes of the other colorway, as it is black and green and red. This is how the other colorway looks. So that was the right shoe. This is the left shoe. Nothing changes here. You just don't have your tag. The Supreme here is actually the right way on the left shoe. As you can see, left shoe, right shoe. Now y'all know, man, over here at Sneaker Notes, I'm 1000% honest, and that's why a lot of y'all come here, because I'm 1000% honest. This sneaker here is not for me, especially now in the winter time. If these would have came out June, July, I would have definitely put something together and rocked these, man. But this is just not my style of sneaker. Far as the quality, I gotta give it an A1, man. Maybe just an A, but I could go A1. The leather all the way around on this sneaker is plush. It's classic. The rubber bottom, like the collab is A1. I just feel like Supreme likes to be different, and nothing's wrong with that. They don't want to go for the hype sneakers, because you remember at first the Supreme and Jordan collabs, you were getting Jordan 5s with fatigue. you were getting the classic sneakers, the hyper sneakers. But now with Supreme, you're getting like the Gato SB joints when they could have just did a dunk, even though they did do a dunk later. But I'm saying Supreme gives you everything. They're going to give you the hype. They're going to give you the classic. They're just going to give you what they want to give you. They're not just going for the hype stuff. And you got to commend them for that. Like I said, quality's great. I love the color blocking. I just don't really like the design of the sneaker, the silhouette. They should have did the Bo Jackson, man. And I got my baby blue hoodie on. I would have definitely brought the Bo Jackson look. But yo, it's a nice sneaker, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.